Good morning students. Today we are going to discussing some important points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Let's start. Let's discuss some questions from Atoms and Molecules. First question, what is atomic mass unit? What is atomic mass units? The atomic mass unit is the sum of atomic masses of all the atom in a molecule of substance is expressed. The atomic mass unit is the sum of all atoms present, sum of the all atomic masses present in a substance, in a molecule of the substance. Okay. For example, when we take H2O, H2O is a molecule. When we take H2O, there will be 2 hydrogen. H2 means 2 hydrogen. That we know the atomic number of hydrogen, that is 1. 1 into 2 plus in H2O there is 1 oxygen. There is 1 oxygen in H2O. We know the atomic number of oxygen also. That is 16. The atomic number of oxygen is 16. So, 1 into 2 plus 16 equal to 18 AMU. So, in H2O, the atomic mass unit will be 18 AMU. That is H2O equal to 1 into 2 plus 16 equal to 18 AMU. You should, when you write the AMU, atomic mass unit, you should write AMU. It's a unit of atomic mass unit. So, all should write the AMU. It's very important. Next question, how do atoms exist? We already studied so many things about atoms. So, how do atoms exist? We already studied that the atoms can't exist independently. So, atoms exist in the form of molecules or ions. Atoms exist in the form of molecules or ions. So, the atoms will be exist in the form of molecules or ions. We already studied different molecules. For example, H2O, NH4, ions, NaCl, NaCl, MgCl2. This the MgCl2 and NaCl is the example for ions, and we already study about molecules and ions. So, the atoms can only exist molecule or in the form of molecule or ions. Then our next question, give the atomicity of phosphorus and nitrogen. Give the atomicity. We already studied about atomicity. Some atoms will be monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic, etc. So, in the case of phosphorus, we studied that the phosphorus is a polyatomic molecule. The atomicity of phosphorus is P4. That is 4. The atomicity is 4. And in the case of nitrogen, the atomicity is N2. 2 is the answer. The atomicity of nitrogen is 2. We already studied that the atomicity of nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen will be 2. And phosphorus is a polyatomic molecule. So, its atomicity will be 4. The next, what is an ion? The charged atom is called as an ion. Ions will be charged atoms. The ion can be positively charged or negatively charged. The ion can be positively charged, that is called cations, or it will be negatively charged, it's called anions. So, ions will be charged atoms and its cations will be positively charged and anions will be negatively charged. When we take example NaCl, NaCl is a atomic compound and Na is cation and Cl is anion. Here example, give one example of cation and anion. So we can take NaCl. In the case of NaCl, cation is Na plus and anion will be Cl minus. Then next question, give one difference between cation and anion. What are the difference between cation and anion? Cations are positively charged ions and anions are negatively charged ions. The cations are positively charged ions and anions are negatively charged ions. The next question, give the chemical formula of ammonium sulfate. Chemical formula of ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. We know the chemical chemical name of ammonium, that is NH4 plus. We know that it is NH4 plus and sulfate, that is SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. So the chemical formula is NH4 twice SO4, that is NH4 twice SO4. We crossed the ions. So the chemical formula of ammonium sulfate will be NH4 twice SO4. Next question, what is Avogadro constant? It's very important, Avogadro constant. Answer, the Avogadro constant, we already studied the Avogadro constant is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is defined as the number of atoms that are present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 20. That is number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 atom. So the Avogadro constant is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is the exact number. It's the number of atoms present exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 atom. And the last question, find the molecular mass of H2O. How to find out the molecular mass of H2O? How we find out? We know it's very easy. We know the formula of H2O, that is H2O. In H2O, 2 hydrogen. So 2 into 1 plus 1 oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 16. So 2 into 1 plus 16 equals 18U. So the molecular mass indicate in the letter U. It's very important to write. When we write molecular mass, we should write the symbol, that is 18U. In the case of atomic mass unit, we write AMU. In the case of molecular mass, we write U. It's very important. So all students write these questions in your notebook. So we discussed some important questions, points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. All should write the important points in your notebook. Thank you.